No, it's wet all the way to the end.
Yeah.
That one big wave was washed.
All the way up to the tree.
There it goes. It's washing up past the lifeguard stand. There's no beach here.
No.
No, this is where it doesn't get beachy. This is where the sand is supposed to be.
Yeah, sure. The beach usually starts about maybe
a mile out. And you can see it's all eroded.
Mm-hmm.
You know, this is supposed to be, I knew this was going to happen. This is supposed to be a really gentle slope. And it's just like a mountain. Eric, watch out, because you're going to get soaked.
And look up the sand that's pushed up against the thing. That was definitely free time. This is so weird that there's no one on the beach.
I wonder what these birds are thinking. What happened to our beach?
I want to go by the boardwalk.
Here goes the hot air.
Where did this water come from?
That's beach water.
Is it just washed up before?
Yeah, because of the tides that keep flashing over. Because we saw it when we were walking up.
Yeah.
So it's just got and it can't drain anywhere because there's nowhere to go.
Here there is nowhere to go.